Hello friends, is your car showing P0260 on the obd2 scanner? Are you facing poor acceleration, rough idling, or increased fuel consumption? If yes, then this code is indicating a problem with your injection pump fuel metering control B-high, whether it's the cam, rotor, or injector. Ignoring this issue can lead to serious engine performance problems, but don't worry, in this video we will cover what P0260 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's begin. P0260 is triggered when the ECU detects an abnormally high voltage in the fuel injector circuit for cylinder 2. This means the injector is receiving more power than needed, leading to incorrect fuel delivery and poor engine performance. Here are some common symptoms: rough idling or engine misfire, poor fuel efficiency, check engine light is on, black smoke from the exhaust, and loss of power while driving. If you ignore this issue, it can cause serious engine damage over time. To diagnose P0260, check these key components. Fuel injector for cylinder 2, located on the intake manifold or cylinder head, depending on your engine type. Fuel rail pressure sensor. Found on the fuel rail, it monitors and controls fuel pressure. Fuel metering control valve, B-side solenoid, attached to the fuel injection pump, regulates fuel flow. Crankshaft position sensor located near the engine block or transmission bell housing, ensures correct fuel injection timing. Camshaft position sensor found on the cylinder head helps control fuel injection timing. If any of these components fail, the ECU may send incorrect signals, leading to excessive fuel injection in cylinder 2. Common causes of P0260 include faulty cylinder 2, fuel injector. If it's damaged, it may inject more fuel than needed. Short circuit or wiring issues. If the injector wiring is damaged, it can send excess voltage to the injector. Fuel rail pressure sensor malfunction. A faulty sensor can lead to incorrect fuel delivery. Defective fuel metering control valve, B-side solenoid. If it's stuck open, the engine will receive excess fuel. Faulty ECU or software issue. Sometimes the ECU may misinterpret sensor readings, causing incorrect fuel injection. Alright, let's dive into how to fix that P0260 error code. First, inspect the cylinder 2 fuel injector for any clogs or leaks, and replace it if necessary. Next, check the fuel rail pressure sensor and test it using a multimeter. Then, inspect the fuel metering control valve, also known as the B-side solenoid, to ensure it's operating properly. After that, check the wiring harness and connectors for any signs of corrosion or damage. Also, scan and test the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors to make sure they're functioning correctly. Finally, clear the trouble code using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. Remember, P0260 can cause serious fuel system problems if ignored. Fixing it early will restore engine efficiency and power. Want to learn more about obd2 error codes? Check out these next videos. P0203, Cylinder 3. Injector circuit malfunction P0204, Cylinder 4. Injector circuit malfunction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.